This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about your biological age as measured by the biome in your gut. Unique idea, but it may have more validity than we realize. Turns out there's pretty good evidence that the amount of diversity in your colon correlates with your wellness. And the kind of research we see are papers that show things like as you switch from a regular American Heart Association diet, supposedly healthy, to a Mediterranean diet with gobs and gobs of olive oil. I'm serious, extra olive oil. You increase the biodiversity of your gut and you increase your Treg cells, your T cells that are in charge of allocating resources in your lymphocyte system. In other words, how do you fight foreign invaders effectively? Well, the more beta-hydroxybutyrate you have in your gut indicates that you really have an anaerobic environment in which there's very little oxygen, but the cells on the surface of your gut are nourished with that beta-hydroxybutyrate, and they're getting lots of energy from the biome, the bacteria in your gut. How can you encourage that? You encourage that by eating lots and lots of vegetables. Very little meat, just a smidgen here and there. No sugar, no artificial anything. And if you like olives and olive oil, have a couple tablespoons extra a day. Eat it, plain, straight up. Tastes delicious, actually. Get the really cold pressed stuff in it, sort of peppery flavor in the back of your throat. There's a company called Biome that actually will measure your biological diversity, and they will give you a precision-based supplement to help you increase your biodiversity through pro and prebiotics, as well as the supplements that help shift you in that direction. I've measured mine, and my biological age came back longer than my calendar age. Didn't like that test. I'm going to see how that does when I'm eating my extra olive oil and my staying away from antibiotics. You could do this too. It's a handy way of motivating and seeing how well you are. The literature is pretty robust. Look up Biome's website. They've got some interesting articles to read. V-I-O-M-E, Biome.com. Dr. John Whitcomb, News and Nutrition.